What is up everyone? Today I want to review and unbox a little accessory for my video making and for time-lapsing. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. So welcome back guys, it's been a while since I've unboxed something on this channel, and this time I've treated myself to a nice metal electric Panorama head, which I will use to film stuff and especially to time-lapse stuff. So this is really a nice bit of kit and I hope you will enjoy it. So let's firstly take a look around on this box. This product is from AFI and it's the MRA01 and it's printed right on here. It's a 360 degrees metal electric Panorama head. So let's unbox this with my trusty little unboxing knife. So let's open this puppy up and have a look. So we are greeted with some lovely bit of Chinese paperwork. This product comes directly from China, but we won't need that. The first thing that we've seen is a small as USB cable. Oh my word, that's the smallest I've ever seen. And it's cheap as shit. We won't need that. Then we are greeted with the remote. We will have a look at this a little bit later. And then we have the product itself. There we go. Which we will have a look at in a few seconds. So now that we have everything out of the box, let's have a look at the components each by themselves. So firstly we have this tiny and cheap ass micro USB to USB charging cable, which is one of the worst I've ever seen. Then we have the remote control, which is necessary to use this product, which by the way it's cheap as well. Really cheap plastics, don't like it. And we have the Panorama head, which is completely out of metal, and it has a really nice feeling to it. It's really well weighted, it's heavy, and it's really cool looking. And I really don't understand why they use such cheap ass remotes with such a nice product. Really don't understand. But anyway, let's go a little more into detail. So let's start looking at things one by each other. Let's put the uninteresting part out of the way first. Really smart, cheap as micro USB to USB for charging. You should really don't use this cable, just use another one. It's really disgusting. Okay, so let's put the Panorama head out of the way as well, and let's take a look at the remote control. So we have a power button over there, which starts and stops the motion. We have a camera symbol, which you can pair this remote up to your smartphone via Bluetooth, and you can work the shutter with this button. I won't use that, but could be handy for some people. Then we have an array of times, which is 15 minutes, 30 minutes and 60 minutes, and 2 direction buttons, a right turn and a left turn, and down here we have the different degrees you can turn, so 90, 180 and 360 degrees rotation. So let's get over to the good part. This is the hat itself. It's really good looking and it's of a premium quality feel. It really is. It's completely out of metal and it's quite heavy. You won't expect such a small device to be such heavy. So you have a tripod screw mount up here and coated a rubberized pad on which the camera really sticks quite well. So it's really good. The camera won't come unscrew on this easily. We have water mark over here, so you can have a look if you are right on the plane or if your camera is not level. On the downside, on the underside we have a tripod mount as well, which is quite handy, so you can screw it right onto your tripod. So let's have a deeper look onto this product. On this side we have a red on-off button, which is rubberized and feels quite nice. Right next to it there is an indication LED if it's on or off. By the way, if the battery is low, this will flash blue. Yeah. So if we come over here, we have a few other LEDs. Right over here we have the degree LEDs. So you dial in your how much it should turn, and the according LED will light up. So you have a 90 degree LED, a 180 degree LED and a 360 degree LED. This is the infrared transmitter, so you will get your signal out of there. And on the other side we have our time LEDs, so the 15 minute, 30 minute and 60 minute. Over here we have the micro USB charging port and the indication LED for that. And up here we have a ring scale which goes from 0 to 360, so you can see how many degrees you have reached so far. So let's start this thing up and show you how it works. So over here, let's press on and we will see what the last settings were. So we can firstly choose on how many degrees. At the moment we are on 360, but we can change it to 180 and to 90. Yeah. And over here we can change it from 15 to 30 minutes to 60 minutes. The next thing is you have to choose a direction. Let's turn it in this direction. And you have to notice one thing. You press into the right direction, but you see the numbers are spinning into the left direction, so it's turning the right way, but you think it's going the wrong way. So now we are going in 15 minutes we will go 1 spin around. And there go the 15 minutes and 360 degrees. It really did look quite boring, but now I will show you why this is not so boring whatsoever. So guys, this is the way I will have mounted. I will use this Panorama hat for the next while. It's right on my Yanteng hat, and yeah, the camera will be right on it. But this won't be the final position. The main reason why I have bought this will come clear in, I think, a few months' time. We'll see something quite awesome I will do with this. But for the time being, I will show you a few shots using this technique, so yeah, stay tuned. So you will now see a 15-minute shot using 90 degrees. Yeah, and you will see how that will look like.